The next real example that I have to show you guys is again on SPY. This was using a 553 strike price call option contract that expired 7/11. So again, this was not 2 weeks out. So this is something that I do not recommend doing. The more experienced you get with this, the shorter you can go with your expiration date. But for beginners, I am recommending 2 weeks out. However, because I've been trading for so long, I don't always do 2 weeks out, especially when I know that I'm going to be selling that contract that day. So this was actually a 1 DTE contract, 1 day to expire. I bought it on 7/10. It had an expiration date of 7/11. So I pretty much didn't have a choice. I had to sell it that day, right? And I wanted to add this example in here, not only because it's SPY, but I thought it was important to add this example in here because this shows you that some of the options are actually really cheap. So in the previous example, I paid $140 for that one contract. In this example, I only paid $19 for this contract. The average cost for the one contract is $0.19. That's the contract price. Multiply it by 100. I only paid $19 for this one contract. And the reason why it was so inexpensive is because of the strike price and because it was sooner to expire. So again, the sooner to expire, the cheaper the contract is. With an example like this, I was able to make over 200% return on one contract. I made $39 on the premium. You can see that down here on the today's return and total return. So when I was able to sell this back to the market, the contract price was $0.58, which is a market value, which is the premium price of $58. So that is a over 200% return on this one contract. $39 is not a lot of money to most people. How you make money on these cheaper contracts like this is you buy a lot of them. So I could have had 5 contracts and made $39 profit per contract, and it really adds up that way. But you can also practice with these cheaper ones as well, just to make sure you get in the groove of things and that you are doing this strategy correctly. So you can definitely scale this to make more money.